Hi everyone, Arnold Baker with Overland Explorer Vehicles. We're out of Alberta, Canada. We're here at Overland Expo West. I want to show you quickly one of our products. We've got 7 different models. We've got our 8th one coming around soon. This one in particular is our Hudson Bay. It comes in 2 versions. It comes in an 8-footer and a 6.75 foot bed replacement. This one you're looking at is a 6.75 foot bed replacement, but it's still an 8-foot floor plan from here to the back wall. It's 8 feet. If you go with the 8-foot bed replacement, it's just a square or a flat back. You don't have the kick out, which gains you more storage. Fully composite builds, 1.5-inch panels. We're gel coat on both sides of the panel. Going in, we're honeycomb polypropylene, and the center core is foam, PET made out of recycled water bottles. The exoskeleton, 6063 aluminum, fully bonded construction with adhesive. Interior furniture, all aluminum, fully bonded in place. Wherever you see a metal fastener is where we're doing metal to metal. Other than that, it's fully bonded. The units are also fully isolated using the torque-lip Derringer latches, front and back. You got the spring loaded on the back, and you got the rubber torsions on the front. But you notice they're also the camper's sitting on rubber feet. So we want this camper to be able to move. So that's why we bond everything together. So we want to maintain that movement, and that's why we're using the torque-lip Derringers as well. It's sitting atop our aluminum flatbed tray. We call it the Lumitray, which is also fully isolated from the chassis via urethane isolators. This particular customer has chosen the rear tire carrier, the ladder, and also the MOLLE rack back here, and he's chosen to mount boxes. So the MOLLE panels are designed to surface mount up to 150 pounds. Spare tire carrier is also rated for that as well. The rear kick out back here, if you go with the 6.75 foot, you can also get a MOLLE panel that goes the full width of the camper as well. Or if you don't want to have your spare tire there and you're carrying it underneath in the factory location, up to a 35-inch, you can put a MOLLE panel where the spare tire is currently sitting. Then on this side of the camper is where you have your exterior shower. Located right here is your shower port. So you can shower inside or outside. Your water fill, lockable of course. You can also have your shore power as well. Inside the interior, we've got a few key features. Rear dinette, folds down into a bed. You can also do a gurney bunk above, so if you're a family of 4, you can sleep 2 adults over the cab in the 60-inch bed, which you can also get into a king bed extension if you want to sleep north-south. Then you got the gurney bunk in the back as an option, and then also the dinette folds down. Showering inside is easy. Underneath your feet in the dinette, there is a shower pan that's quite deep, so you're able to stand in there and shower off. There's also an exterior shower as well. The toilet for this unit, we used to house up in this storage cabinet to the right as you enter the camper. We've now moved it underneath the dinette seat. It's actually on a slide. It slides out from underneath the dinette seat into the doorway. You can either use a cartridge toilet, or you can use something like a wrap-on Trekker or something like that, or just a porta potty, whatever you want. The slide out comes with the camper. You pick the toilet as an option. 164 liter fridge is standard. For 2024, we'll also offer a 65 liter Dometic compressor fridge for those that want something a little bit smaller. And then you can gain a little bit of some shoe storage underneath it or something like that. Cooktop, dual burner propane. For 2024, we will be optioning the induction cooktop. Of course, you have the sink. Both appliances up there have the fold-down glass top. All of our doors and drawer fronts on the interior are plastic material, and we use that rather than wood because of environmental differences in temperature and humidity. We have more success with a polymer product instead. All the furniture inside here, everything you see is all aluminum, fully bonded into the interior. We want everything to move. Bamboo countertops, bamboo table, LED dimmable lights, multi-speed fans. You can even get this one with the optional raising auto lift roof with actuators. If you'd like more information on this product or any one of our other products, as mentioned before, we got 7 different models. An 8th one is coming for 2024. Van cutaway on a cab chassis van. Please visit our website, overlandex.com, or visit our website if you want to talk to one of our dealers. We've got 9 dealers in the USA, 2 in Canada. Those dealers are all listed on the website.